Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can sing a video with audio automatically in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and first of all, I'm going to add my video and my audio to this timeline. I'm going to add my video first and then my audio as well.
Hello guys.
Okay, and then I'm going to sing the audio and the video. We can just select them like this, and then we can right click. You can select them with your cursor, with your mouse or your touchpad, and then you can right click on it, and you can simply click on sing video and audio. That's so easy, right? You just need to select the audio and the video and simply click on sing a video and audio. Okay guys, and that's all the way to sing video and audio automatically in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!